As I said, I've not slept for 3 days, dealing with different people. People from different states are so stunned. And looking back on what one has been through in a process of trying to tell the truth, up to the extent that a fake convention was done that has now been called fraudulent on a national network like yours, live. And it was fraudulent. And we've been able to gradually wear these things down for the truth to out. But as I kept saying, the truth always comes out. No matter how long it takes, gradually. And Nigeria must learn. We like things to be done very quickly. Things don't happen quickly. Gradually, if you follow things well, the truth will out. So I just feel that we have a lot of work to do. We're speaking to stakeholders. We're now trying to bring our party back. Everyone keeps asking me, what about Soludo? What about this? We're not looking at APGA. Has all the problems in APGA are now over. And I'm happy that they are beginning to see themselves that they made a mistake. And we're going to work together to make sure that APGA gets back to that place it has always or should always have been. When I say that I've not slept for about 3 days, obviously we were not sitting down doing meetings, consulting with people and explaining to them. And there are bigger fishes than the slide you're talking about at the back of the picture. There are people who felt that I shouldn't be national chairman. One, because Anambra felt that, but you gradually get to make them understand that it's not an Anambra party. And politics should not be played like that. That it should be something of, we should all understand, we should try and understand each other. And maybe now that I've now been recognized by INEC, they're not looking at me so much as an imposter any longer. And I'm the one now coming to them. They can now say, wow, maybe he's not as bad. Because the thing that causes a lot of problems is probably misunderstanding. And probably they look at me and think I have another agenda. I don't have any agenda. All I want is for APGA, the party. I was the first vice national chairman of the party in 2002. That's 22 years ago. I would like that party to do well. We were in court today whereby, there was a contempt. And I was so happy when my lawyer commended the chairman of the commission, saying at least he obeyed the court order. And he obeyed it very swiftly, put us on the... He told us there's a misunderstanding. He was made clear by the courts of appeal, and he put us in quickly and everything moved on. We don't need to look backwards. You understand? We need to look forward, and it's going to be forward ever, backward never. APGA is going to be a party that you'll be shocked. By this time next year, you will see where we are in APGA. Thank God our own has been resolved. They are now the ones having, we have run and we've gone. We don't have any problem in APGA any longer. No. In the next 2 weeks, you will see that we'll have no problem in the party. I want APC, I want PDP, I want other party, Labour, all of them to be going through what we've been through, so that we'll be the only party standing without problem. We on our side, they did not raise up any candidates. Whatever candidates they've raised up, we've spoken to NWC. Let us try and make things seamless. Let's not go into we didn't, they did, we didn't, we did. Let's just quietly resolve our problems in the back scene, which we are doing. That's why I said, if you notice I'm really looking so tired, it's because we've been talking and trying not to bring our dirty linen in public. You saw what happened in the Court of Appeal. You saw what happened in the Supreme Court. Once you have patience and follow, the problem with all these things normally is we with the politicians, because we're always in a hurry. But I tell the public to be calm. Let us be able to understand that the workload on everybody, but whatever sector you are, is so high, and we need to be more understanding. I've learned a lot in this process, and I'm calmer now. I've learned that things are not as straightforward and as easy as we think that they really are. Nigeria is quite complicated as it is. So sometimes we blame everything on our leaders. All we should do is to pray for our leaders, for God to give them the wisdom, give them the patience to be able to handle